You're the only one I love, the only man I know that I can trust. And if I ever should need you, I know you'll come, ready to kill with a smoking gun, with a smoking gun. The only man I know that I can trust. And if I ever should need you.
What's up, you guys? It's the girl Anisha, and I am here with another video for you. So today I just wanted to show you all how I remove permanent marker from a dry erase board. As you can see, they had some writing on there already from some Hayden was trying to write it. He thought it was a he thought it was a dry erase marker, but it wasn't. And so I just went over it with the permanent markers, so you can just see me going over it with it. And then I'm just going to show you the products that I'm using. I'm going to take one little squirt of the alcohol onto a napkin, and alright, so that's the one squirt of alcohol on the napkin. And then I'm going to take a bottle of water and a napkin, and I'm gonna do about 2 squirts of the water, like, you know, basically like tipping it over twice or whatever, like I did with the alcohol. But I'm gonna do 2 of those with the water and put that on the napkin so it could be ready. And then I'll just have just a regular napkin with nothing on it, just to dry in between and at the end. So yeah, let's just start the process. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm taking the alcohol and I'm just rubbing that first little section that I want to take the permanent marker off, and then I'm taking the napkin with the water on it and I'm just wiping that off. And you want to do it in individual parts. You don't want to just try to do the whole thing at once. So then you would just take that off, and then you would take the alcohol and rub it on there again in that same area that you just wiped. And then you're going to just rub it and kind of like scrub it a little hard, but not too hard. And you're just going to keep doing that. And then you're going to take the napkin with the water on it again, and then you're going to just wipe that area clean. And then after that, I like to take the napkin that I'm drying with and just kind of go over it to make sure, like, if I want to like wipe it with the alcohol again. And you just basically keep repeating that until you get to the point where you feel like it's not showing as much. I would still try to stay away from using permanent marker in that same area again, because it's still a faint shadow, but it's not as bad as just having that black permanent marker on the whiteboard. Okay, so this is basically just the spot that's left after my first time wiping down all of the area. And then I just took another little paper towel and I just put alcohol on it and on one, water on the other one. And then I just basically went over the spot again to just remove any type of like residue that was left over. So right now I'm just going over it with the alcohol again. And then after this, I'll use the water napkin again, and then I'll just wipe it clean. And basically that's pretty much it. So you guys, I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions that you would like for me to include in my video a day in May, please leave them down below. Or if you just have any video suggestions that you would like for me to do, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will leave all of my social media information in the description box below. And I thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.